precious vintage fan, 4K HD quality. Oh, it's going to be perfect. Not totally not junk. Oh, what happened? I'm slouching. I see it. I'm slouching. Now it's slouching downwards. Let's get the isolation action, eh? And put it on maximum full blast. Don't fall over. I'm slouching. Sit up and be proud. Proud of nothing. Oops. Fancy fan had an accident. Now it's too wobbly. Oops. Come back. What's your model? It's junk. Manufactured by KDK. Oops. What a piece of junk. Doesn't even want to work properly. Take more out of the open. Oh, now I'm blinded. Fancy badge. Can't have that. Can't have the fancy vintage badge. What, it broke? Oh no, it broke. I'm slouching. Quit it. It's vintage fan. So poor quality. Give me that fancy grill. Sit up. Be perfect fan. Why? Kind of a vintage fan. Look at the metal base. How interesting. Oops. I think I broke my fancy vintage fan. I broke the fancy vintage fan. Fancy Hoover electric fan. Oh, what? Broken. Stupid motor. Piece of junk. What's it breaking up? Told you to stay on maximum speed. Stupid fan, stay on max. It's supposed to be working perfectly fine, no problems. There we go, now it's on full. Make sure those speeds are set to on. Low speed, still not. There we go, I think that'll do for this vintage Hoover fan.